Hey guys, it's Dara and I'm back for another video. This time we are doing Ipsy. And I really should have been like Ipsy or Ipsy. I should you guys, man. Whatever. It is whatever. Okay. So Ipsy has, this is one thing I kind of am enjoying because of Ipsy. And I will share it with you just in a second. But Ipsy has decided, I don't know if it was a random one-time thing, but you could add stuff to your bag for $3. I know there's a couple options for $16, such as the Huda Beauty 9-pan palette for $16. That retails for $27. Sorry, I'm just trying to see what that noise was. I think it's the AC. Or the neighbors. But this is a bag. It says, and off she went to change the world. I actually like this. And it's like a nice royal blue. Such a good blue. Okay, first thing I noticed is the Man Eater by Tarte mascara. I'm gonna have to try this out. Okay, I think I've tried it before. It just kind of really clumps in, but we'll have to give it another shot. We will. And then, ooh, okay, Estate Do Me. All right, Baked Illuminating Powder, Highlight Powder, Baked what did I say? Illuminate. Baked Highlight Powder. Let's see, is there a shade in Pearl? And just throw that up there. This is what it looks like. And I don't really go much for it. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm like, it's like, shut your mouth. Okay, so that, I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. I'm like, can you guys see that? Right there. And goes this way. So that's it blended out. And that's just like a 1-2. That is. Ooh, that's my kind of highlight. Okay. And then we have another brush. Oh God. I hate when they do this to me. Boom. Okay, so it looks like kind of like a brush I would go in underneath my eyelashes with, or kind of like pat some product on after trying to, you know, remove mascara off my lid, or just kind of in general just pat or up here. It's actually really nice. I kind of really like this. Okay. Thanks, Ipsy. And let's see here, we got a Ciate Lip Luster. This is not for resale. It's the shade Calming. This is kind of like a gloss. Is it? Cute. Yeah. Just kind of like almost like a clear gloss with a slight hint to it. And last but not least, I don't know what this is. Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. See, this is my thing is with glittery masks, glittery peel off masks, they leave glitter everywhere. Everywhere. You'll find them in your hair too. Ooh! Pop. Okay, this is very actually illuminizing. Not glittery, but shimmery. So I'm going to just take a little bit on my finger. And it's very white. Okay. And I'm just going to just put some on. Okay. I'm really glad that it's not a glitter peel off mask. That is just great. Just like, thank God. It is great. So let me show you what I got for $3, adding to my box. So this is from Ofra. I thought it was actually going to be smaller because it was only $3. And these like retail for like 20 or 18 or something. Here we go. And I absolutely love highlighters. This is the highlighter Star Island. So this is the packaging. And then, okay, so this is more of a gold champagne. This is more of a champagne. And so let me, I've like really come to love over highlighters. $3. And they, like I said, they retail for like $18 plus. Okay. I see you, Ofra. Best $3 in my life. To be honest, I would actually rate this like because I think I don't like this one. I'm not sure. I'll test it out, but I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Maybe a 9 out of 10. And my one thing is you guys could actually pop these out. Don't know how, but mine, one of my Nikki tutorial ones, I think it was, has like a very white shade, a very orangey shade, and a bronzy shade, like a trio. Ooh, that came out, but I think it's from all the wear and tear I put through. But this is, I would definitely give this bag at least an 8, but I think I'm going to give it a 9. So, I'll put this back in here so I can remember to take it with me, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think at least the Ipsy is great. I think Sephora really has been dropping the ball lately. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch my other video, but we'll wait for Lure and then we'll do that one and then we'll wait for next month. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye!